Good morning. It's Dr. Ivy Branin, Naturopathic Doctor of Simplicity Health Associates here. So in some previous videos, I talked a lot about the supplements that I take every day, which I get from FullScript. And if you have not yet gotten your FullScript account through us, where you'll save 10% off, feel free to look in the description of this video for the link so you can set up your account. I want to talk a little bit about what I give my son. So my son is 20 months old. Don't give him a lot of supplements right now. I actually only give him one supplement, and that supplement is by Claire Labs. It's their Probiotic baby, so it is a probiotic, and I like to add it to whatever he's having for breakfast. So this morning he's doing what I call green oatmeal. So basically I take Ripple milk, and you've heard me talk about Ripple milk. So Ripple milk has lots of protein. My son cannot have cow dairy. He's allergic. So I give him Ripple milk, which I blend with whatever green vegetable I decide in our Vitamix. So it could be spinach, it could be kale, it could be broccoli, and it's a great way for him to get some vegetables, and he actually doesn't really notice it. And I cook it with some oatmeal, and I also add either, this morning it's almond butter, but I'll often add like peanut butter or hemp seeds or chia seeds or macadamia nuts, whatever kind of nuts or seeds that I want him to have. So this is the green oatmeal, which I serve with a little bit of cinnamon and a little bit warmer than room temp. And then this is the probiotic, which again you can get easily from FullScript. There's a couple different powdered probiotics that I'll often recommend for babies. Now, I also definitely want him to have it for gut health. Specifically, our son was a C-section baby, so he didn't get all that beautiful vaginal flora from mama. And so I just mix it, and he loves this stuff. So again, if you've not yet set up an account with FullScript, the link is in the description of the video. You will get 10% off any of your first supplement orders, and I'll make sure to have a link to this probiotic here. I love this probiotic. Anyway, hopefully you enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you next time.